But I'm just going to go quiet for a while. Listen to these birds. Different sort of birds. These are like new sounds to me because that main one that you can hear, never heard it before. It's like I've gone, 6 bays down from where I was last time, and it's completely different nature. How weird is that? Like, I never had magpies hang around before. The lizard. I think even a red-tailed cockatoo even landed nearby. Being here at Bay 12 feels like I'm in a totally different campsite. So at this point, Bay 12 is the best one at Charlie's Flat, I think. What's funny, about 2 or 3 magpies have been hanging around this camp, so their nest or home must be nearby. This is what I'm here for, guys. Absolutely love it. It is, it's like surround sound birds. This is exactly what I come out here for. There's 5 magpies here now. One up in the tree, centre screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 magpies are here. Wow, this is crazy. And a crow and another magpie. Oh my God, guys. This is like Magpie Central. I do apologise, there's no zoom, but you can see them right there. Pretty much trying to keep them in centre screen. I know I'm carrying on about these birds, but to me, to be sitting here right now with these birds about, 4 metres away, just going about their day, at least they're not swooping me. That's the other thing. It's not spring though, so why would they? But as you know, Australia, magpies are notorious for their swooping. I wanted to show you guys the bird book. Birds of Western Australia, the Field Guide, 2nd edition by Simon J. Neville. No idea who he is, but thank you for your book. I'm just going to have a read of this book, see what birds I can recognise that I've seen around here. Unless something drastic happens, talk to you guys soon. Rightio guys, it's been a while. Just been doing a bit of reading, keeping my fluids up the best I can. I wouldn't say the temperature was too bad. Like, it got a bit still, and yeah, the temperature go up. But as you can probably hear, the breeze has picked up a fair bit. I wouldn't say it's cold air, but it's better than no air at all. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go for a walk to the river. So yeah, this is the path that I brought the boat down initially. And as you can see, it's quite narrow. And because I got the boat under my arm, I was bashing on every tree and stick coming down. So there is a better way if you're going to bring your kayak or boat or whatever. But for now, just being me, this is fine. Yeah, been quite a relaxing day otherwise. Haven't done much at all. Which is what I like, which is what I intend to do. This place was busy when I was out in the boat earlier. There's people everywhere. But it's since gone quiet, so I think they're gone. But yeah, I end up going back up that way. And you can also go up that way. But this one here leads into somebody's camp. Whether someone's there now, I don't know. But all leads to one. Okay, there's people still down here. I think this path here goes back around over there. And that leads down. But yeah, we'll go for a look anyway. Quite a nice little spot, this one. So I brought the boat in just through here. It's like shallow out to where that log is. And then also that paddled off around there. Then you got this side as well. Haven't been down that way. Because obviously beyond that tree there is where it blocks off. Where you got all the sticks and stuff. Yeah, we'll go down. There we go, much nicer down here. And there's shade. There wasn't much shade before. What's also to note too is look how low I'm sitting. Look at the water level would be up here in winter. Like going from my eye level, I'd be standing underwater in winter, which is crazy. You can see where the water erodes. It's weird to think all this would just be underwater. It's amazing how much water loss there'd be. I mentioned this before in other videos, but yeah, the water loss. Or how much the water goes down in summer. Look at that tree, for example. That gap from there to the tree would be completely underwater. That tree would be in the middle of the water. So low now. Yeah, I still think there's some depth to it. Yeah, what a beautiful place. It's great now that the shade's here. And that breeze is most welcoming. You know, guys, I think last time I looked, it was 4:35. So, nearly dinner time, surprisingly. It's just gone by so quick. So yeah, I guess I might sit around here for a little bit and then I'll go make dinner. Nothing special tonight, actually. I don't even know if I'll film it. It's just sausage sizzle again, and like last time I forgot the bloody onions. Or should I do a little mini explore? Yeah, we'll go for a little explore. Now, stupid me doesn't have hiking boots on. Just got me thongs on. So if I'm not careful, I'm going to end up on my ass. Wow, the wind's really picking up. Yeah. Like, yeah, I didn't come down this path before. I don't think I have. That's right, because further up there is where... Oh, it's right there, actually. Yeah, that's right, just ahead, just in here, is where those other steps were. And this is where I came before, down those steps here. And I was going to launch the boat there, and that's where I thought I was going to be. And I think I did walk to here, to be honest. Because I remember this cut log. But yeah, I never went any further. And I should have. Because if I did, I would have found a much better launch site. Rightio, guys. Well into the evening now. Sun has set over the hill. Behind me, hill, valley, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, starting to become dark. I love the low light on this camera. I keep mentioning it, but yeah, it's pretty good. Like, it doesn't seem that dark, but yeah, it's getting there. Not much of an afternoon, to be honest. Once again, just sat around, done some reading. Didn't do much at all. Am I in for a crappy night's sleep again? God no, the pattern seems to be where I go to sleep and I just end up tossing and turning all night. And then things wake me up or whatever else. Then I'm back to tossing and turning again. What I'm putting it down to is it's summertime. Camping in summer, where it's potentially warm and still at night, is a recipe for an uncomfortable night. So I kind of think that, that's probably the reasoning behind it. So I'm just kicking my own ass because here I am camping in summer. Even though this breeze is nice, and it does feel like it's cooled down. So I don't know. And even like the last camp, it was actually very cold. It actually got pretty cool overnight. Yet I still tossed and turned and kept waking up. But there was other reasons as well. Just when I think I get used to camping, I feel like I'm not used to camping. It's a weird one. It really is. Don't know if you can hear that, but there's a magpie up in the tree behind me just making noise. It's a different magpie noise. It's not the usual magpie noise that you expect. And one thing that's surprising too is there's been no kookaburras yet. Maybe they kick in just before bed. Just as you're about to get to sleep, the kookaburras swoop in and make their noise. It's like it's been eventful on the nature front. It's like, each different campsite or numbered campsite that you go to, regardless of what actual campground you're on, seems like nature is different at each site. It's so weird. Looks like another full campsite again. I think everybody's in, and it's actually been pretty good. The reason why I like number 12 is, there's a good spacing between me and all the others, and in the distance there's a bit of noise, but not enough to really bother me. So I'm only going to touch on that subject just as a note. I'm not here to whinge and rant like I usually do. But guys, unless something happens between now and me going to bed, I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning everybody. Well, what a night. It was actually quite decent, to be honest. Like, a lot of breeze around. Didn't toss and turn as much. Like, I feel as though this is probably the best sleep I've had while camping. So that was pretty decent. Of course I woke up early hours, so I think it was like 4:30. It was starting to get light. And of course the orchestra of birds have come out. It's only as the sun comes up they quieten down though. It's like first light until the sun actually comes up, the birds are going nuts. But now that the sun's actually just starting to peek behind me, the noise settles down. I even had the magpies come and visit me this morning. They were cleaning up around camp, it seems. Yeah, another beautiful day. It's going to be a warm one today. So, without hesitation, I've kind of cleaned up camp, packed up camp. Still got to have breakfast, I haven't done that yet. I've made myself a coffee. And I don't know, I just get into that mode where I'll get up, make a coffee, and I tell myself I'm just going to sit here like I am now. But I end up initially I was just going to pack up the swag awning. Then I was just going to sit. And then the next thing I know, I'm cleaning out the swag, I'm packing up the swag, I'm packing up the stretcher, I've picked up the mat, and it's all done. And I'm kind of like, oh, righto. It's like I just get in and do it. I know I've got to pack it up, so I just get in and do it. I guess once you get started, you just get going kind of thing. Which doesn't matter though, because, I can now sit around for a bit and, yeah, make breakfast in due time. And the flies are welcoming again. Oh no, not the March flies. I was about to say on this trip, actually, that's a note, the March flies have been pretty bad. Okay, the March flies are out already. So that's a downside. See, I was down at number 6 the other week, and I think I had one March fly. I come down to this site, number 12, and I've just been bothered by March flies all day. And they're relentless too, the bastards. But yeah, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop, enjoy me coffee, just listen. Then I might do some breakfast. Of course, bacon and eggs. What else? Whether I film that or not, I don't know. If you see it, you see it. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Rightio, guys. Everything is packed up and ready to go. Camp is clean. Pretty good morning. I must say, I don't know what time it is. I wouldn't have a clue. My phone's in the car charging. Overall, I've been quite happy with, I quite enjoyed Charlie's Flat, Bay 12. Pretty good. Nice and roomy. As I said before, I would like my car to be closer. I like it to be, right there in that sense. But, it's not a drastic negative thing. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it. In all, I could stay at this bay again. I know I should have gone and walked to every bay and had a thorough look and even took photos, but it's a bit awkward if there's people in those camps. But yeah, so far Bay 12 is my favourite at Charlie's Flat. I know number 1 could be a good one as well, because that's right down near the riverside there. So it's a quick little entrance to there. So that might be a good one as well. So I could possibly try that one at some stage. Not much else to really do now. Might head into dwelling up, grab myself a coffee, head home. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure. Pretty simple, but it's good. It's good to get out. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like. It really does help the channel. And of course, subscribe if you guys want to see more adventures. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.